Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Gumtree. If you've been getting too many emails or alerts from the platform and want to reduce the noise, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to go to disable those notifications. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to gumtree.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account settings. Logging in is essential because all notification preferences are tied to your specific account profile. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a menu icon. Click on Menu to reveal a drop-down with various options. From this list, select My Details. This section is where Gumtree stores all your personal information and communication preferences, so it's the perfect place to start managing your notifications. Now that you're in the My Details section, scroll down through the page until you locate the option that says, I would like to receive news, offers, and promotions from Gumtree. This is the main toggle that controls promotional emails and marketing messages from Gumtree. You'll notice there's a toggle button next to this text. Click on it to turn it off. By disabling this, you'll stop receiving promotional content, which can significantly reduce the volume of emails landing in your inbox. Next, head back to the top right corner of the page and click on Menu once again. This time, from the drop-down options, select My Alert. This section is dedicated to any alerts you've set up for specific searches or categories on Gumtree. These alerts notify you when new listings match your criteria, and while they can be useful, they can also become overwhelming if you're no longer actively searching. If you have any active alerts listed here, browse through them and find the specific one you want to disable. Once you've identified it, click on Deactivate this alert. This action will stop notifications for that particular search. If you have multiple alerts, you can repeat this process for each one until you've turned off all the notifications you no longer need. And that's it. You've successfully turned off notifications on Gumtree, giving you more control over what reaches your inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.